today I'm taking the JM4 Pro Power Bank. That comes with a charging cable, that's USB-A to USB-C. We have our instructions. It says that is 3.7 volt, 50,000 milliamp hours, 185 watt hours. That is a huge amount of power for something this size. And we have a handful of different voltages and amperages depending on what you plug in. That was a very nice, clean looking device. We do have a little display there on the front. It says that we are at 64% charge. On the top we got two USB-A ports and a USB-C port. And it also lists our voltages and amperages right there on the side. One of the nicer things about this device is it actually has built-in cables, so we don't have to supply our own cable and plug it into the top. We actually have everything we need right here built in. So we have a USB-A cable, which I find to be good for powering things like remote displays. We have our USB-C cable. We have our lightning cable for Apple devices. And we have a micro USB cable. So between those four, you should be able to charge pretty much any modern device that you come across. I also appreciate that they all store flat, so you're not going to have to worry about anything kind of bumping around whenever you pack that up. So let's go ahead and charge the phone. Okay, and we are charging. And not only does it charge, that is actually fast charging. So that is excellent. So overall, that is an excellent power bank.